Scene script. Are you looking for edible ground covers for your landscape? Imagine having a garden that's not just pleasing to the eye, but also low maintenance and provides fresh, edible plants. Let's dive into the top 5 edible ground covers you can start planting today. First on our list, we have alpine strawberries. These charming plants are renowned for their hardiness and versatility. They offer delightful small fruits all summer long, with minimal care requirements. Alpine strawberries, an attractive and delicious choice for your garden. Next up, we have creeping thyme. This resilient ground cover thrives under foot traffic while offering savory leaves for your culinary exploits. Think of it as a living carpet that seasons your dishes. Creeping thyme, a fragrant and hardy addition to your edible landscape. For our final 3 ground covers, we have sweet woodruff, purslane, and nasturtiums. Sweet woodruff is a fragrant wonder, adding a touch of vanilla scent to your garden. It's great for flavoring drinks and desserts. Purslane, on the other hand, is a succulent plant with a slightly peppery flavor, perfect for salads. Finally, nasturtiums, with their vibrant flowers and spicy leaves, bring a burst of color and taste to any dish. Sweet woodruff, purslane, and nasturtiums, 3 diverse ground covers that bring flavor and beauty to your outdoor space. Now that you're equipped with knowledge on these edible ground covers, alpine strawberries, creeping thyme, sweet woodruff, purslane, and nasturtiums, consider adding some to your landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.